It's Thanksgiving morning. I told myself I would upload a YouTube video tomorrow, and I haven't even filmed nothing. I've had a lot of ideas, and I wanted to upload sim to IRL video, but life got busy. This week was hell, bro. I worked so much, and then I've been at Ron's house trying to help him install a lift. So yeah, this is my Frankenstein G35 build. So basically, to start off with, you get in here. Got two special things. Rev, which means it's rev up. RAS, which means it's rear active steering. Now, let me show you. I don't have neither of those two things. It's a drift car, alright? I know it's clapped. It's so clapped, but it's a driver's car, alright? So, non-rev up in here. Got some special things. BC Racing coilovers. Where the fuck is my... Are you fucking kidding me? Bro, no. No, there's supposed to be a thing on there. Like that. Where the fuck? Oh my god. It might be a little clapped. Fuck, dude. I need to look for that. So hold on, give me a second. Well, I guess I can't adjust the rebound on my BC Racing coilovers currently. But backside of the car. If you know anything about the rear active steering, you can tell that this is obviously not a rear active steering car no more. I put the white subframe in there, and now it's also true coilover rear. BC Racing coilovers in the rear, of course. Don't mind my crazy exhaust. Drift car. But yeah, it's Thanksgiving morning, and I haven't driven my car in like a month, so I'm gonna give you a nice little cold start and go driving around a little bit. It don't sound too good, but I mean, it's just a little exhaust leak, I think. I love the car, bro. It's my baby. Like I said, BC Racing coilovers, PBM upper arms. I love PBM. The color is gorgeous, and it's gonna look so good with the color scheme I have planned out for this car. All right, let's go for a ride. I'm actually just going to get gas first, but yeah. Going to get gas, and then we go and drive on like my favorite road. I haven't driven this thing in a minute. This car fucking handles. Up the hill, bro. Wow. Whew. Oh my god, this car handles so well with the BCs, bro. This is my first time like spirited driving this car since the BCs. Almost missed fourth. Oh my god. Alright, I know I'm going over the yellow a little bit, alright? Like, you step on the gas and the rear end just fucking plants itself, dude. Like, around turns, like, oh my god. Why is this thing a drift car, dude? This is a GK Tech mini angle kit, too. Oh my god. I fucking love this car. This car drives good. Oh. in mind, I've never driven on this fucking road before, so I don't know where I'm going. Oh, nor do I know the bumps on this road, neither. Okay. See, that's a little scary, you know? Yeah, this is why this is the ultimate driver's cart, because like, what? What? It just drives, bro. It's a good car. Great car, bro. Keep in mind it's 40 degrees out, bro. And I'm on some very bald front tires and some Lexanis in the rear. So like, what? I honestly have no idea where I am right now. I'm just driving. This road is sick. Oh, dude. Oh my God. I love this car, bro. You know what I'm thankful for? This fucking car. Wait, what? This just brought me where? What? I'm confused. Like, I kind of know where I'm at now, but still not at all. Okay, that was a little bug out. Dude, wow. I forgot how much I love just driving on some roads, bro. Wow. This is the proper way to start Thanksgiving morning, man. I'm tempted. Do I go? Nah, I can't. Police are too hot around here. Actually, I probably shouldn't be driving down this way. Fuck it. Where are you going? Whichever way you go, I'm not gonna go. Like, my favorite thing about this car is it's so streetable too. It's so comfortable to drive, like on the street. Like, I don't know. And like even spirited driving, man, that felt so good and so comfortable, bro. It doesn't have much bump steer at all. Like, it's just great, man. I love it. Go ahead, my friend. You've been stopped at the stop sign for a minute now. Alright. Ooh, look at that thing. That thing nice. That's not my boy, is it? Yeah, no, I just felt like driving this thing on Thanksgiving morning, bro. I just worked so hard this past week, bro. Today's my day off, and I just wanted to enjoy it a little bit, so that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, obviously I'm gonna enjoy Thanksgiving and spending time with my family, but I want to do something for myself. This is one of the things I'm thankful for, so I mean, may as well enjoy it on the day that you're supposed to be thankful for the things, right? Something? I don't know, man. I'm tired. I need me Red Bull, bro. I need me some caffeine, please. I'm gonna go get me one of those. Alright, I don't know what I'm gonna film next. Maybe back at the crib on the sim, maybe for a little outro bit. But yeah, this car is great to drive, man. I love it. And it puts a smile on my face, man.